Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get subscribe message pop-up when they visit your YouTube channel. For example, I have shared my YouTube channel link on my Facebook page. And if they satisfied with my sharing tutorials and they want to check more of my tutorials on YouTube, then they will click on the link that I have provided in description to visit my YouTube channel. And as you can see in the video, the subscription message will pop up early, and this is the best way to get more subscribers faster than ever. So now, I will show you how to do that. Let's start it. First, go to copy your YouTube channel link. Then create a text document file to add some code to your link. You need to add !sub_confirmation equal number 1 at the end of your link. Then now, you can share this link to your every social media that you use to share with. And after they click on this link to visit your YouTube channel, they will see the subscription message pop up early. And we still have one more thing. It's last but not least. You should add this link into your channel description. Just keep watching, I will show you. Go to your YouTube channel. Click on your channel profile, View Channel, and click on Customize Channel. Then go to Basic Info. Then scroll down a little bit and add a new link. Give title YouTube, then paste the link and move it to first. Then click on Public to save. Then just wait a few seconds and go to refresh your browser to check and make sure the link is working properly. Okay, now let's try to use a different browser to check for this channel to see how this link works. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you liked this video, then don't forget click on the like button and subscribe this channel. The weather is a little bit hot currently. Stay safe and have a sweet day with your family. Thanks and bye for now.